The choice of the people. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the governor of the people. God in Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, that are loving Edo State to the next level. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the governor of the people. God in Obaseki, that is taking Edo State to the next level. Edo people say, Toba, pensioner say, Toba, civil servant say, Toba, teacher say, Toba, student say, Toba, businessman say, Toba, market women say, Toba, driver say, Toba.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor of the people. In Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor of the people. God in Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. 4+4, Toba, Edo people say, Toba, Akoko Edo say, Toba, Ego say, Toba, Isa say, Toba, Isako say, Toba, Igwebe say, Toba, Oka say, Toba. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor of the people.
Yes. Edo people, Nigerians all over the world. Happy Sunday and happy weekend. Hey! Happy Sunday to my people. Happy Sunday to Ogberians all over the world. Thank you very much for joining my broadcast this morning. Today is going to be hot talk. We are going to be touching different areas and different parts of our state and what the effort of the government in curbing this pandemic called coronavirus. Yes. As you all know, we have a deadly virus, a deadly disease ravaging the world. The name of the disease is coronavirus. Coronavirus actually started from a very big city in China called Wuhan. It started in an animal market, a popular market where they sell animals, snake, bats, and that's where the deadly virus broke out from. And as we speak, it's sweeping the world economically, it's sweeping the world socially, it's sweeping the world financially. And as you all know, coronavirus is in Nigeria. As we speak, we have over 214 cases in Nigeria, 4 deaths. In Lagos, they've recorded about 115 as we speak. Abuja is about 40-something. Oyo is about 9 cases. Edo, 7 cases. Different state governors are putting in effort to stop the spread of this deadly virus, coronavirus. Why different states governors, this different state government, the presidency, different organizations, different charity organizations, different health organizations, why they are putting heads together to stop the spread of this deadly virus? We still have some deadly politicians, some evil politicians. They are playing politics with this virus. This virus does not know APC, does not know PDP. This virus does not know Obaseki supporters, does not know EPN. This virus does not know APC, does not know EPN. The virus can hit anybody. That is why at the beginning, I told these people, especially the desperate politicians, I said, we should not play politics with COVID-19. We should not play politics with this deadly virus. And it's sweeping the world. But they started playing politics. Now, we are going to join them in this politics. Because anything where they do, I will do unto them. If they say, no, maybe we'll not play politics, let's join government effort. Let's join the government effort to stop the spread. We'll join them. People, when don't enter house. That is why yesterday, well, let me talk about Adams Oshomole's birthday yesterday before we talk more about this virus. I can see you, AZ. Please share this broadcast. I see you, Aguyi. I see you. Share this broadcast. Chris Omorowa. I see you. Share this broadcast. Invite your friends to join us. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be brief, and it's also going to be very, very interesting. I have, yes, Palipa. I have hope of Moibungbe. I have hope of Moibungbe. That's Ivenivier 1. Ivenivier 1 is watching. Please share this broadcast. Thank you very much. We have Emily Obano. I see you. Miyake. Miyaya. I see you, Miyake. Osamu Diame, essay to the governor. I see you. Richard Ugiagbe, I see you. Drop your comments, share the broadcast. Thank you very much. Desmond Osayeho, I see you. Agbe Bright, I see you. Mark Fassin, Omori, I see you. Share this broadcast and invite your friends. God bless you. Endless Love, yo boy, I see you. Palipa, Padime Usiohe, that's my boy, my son, I hear you. Ero Prince, OZ, I see you, I see you. Roger Eddie, I see you, God bless you. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bright Osifo, I see you, God bless you. Thank you very much. Yes! Yesterday was the former governor's birthday. Adams, Mr. Adams Aliyu Oshomole, the reinstated national chairman of APC. Some also call him the factional leader of EPM in Edo State. Yesterday was his birthday, and I did not wish him happy birthday. I was online all through. I was online throughout. I did not wish Adams Oshomole happy birthday. I did not wish him happy birthday this year. I not wish her happy birthday. I did tell you now. Some say about you forget for us. If you wish Oshomole happy birthday now to show some maturity, so that when I feel score political point. I win political point. Political point. Kill your head. Who say you? I wow a political point. I wow. Who say you political point? Who is craving for political points? Who is craving for political points when the people are with us? Who is desperate for political points when the people are saying 4+4 talk about? Oh, majority. Which man? Who majority here? Mature. You went mature past, and you mature past, and you mature. Mr. Mature, go and be greeting your father's enemies. Mr. Mature, go and be making friends with your father's enemies. Mr. Mature. Are you mature past political maturity? Which maturity? Maturity break your neck. Somebody give you cap, you want to remove your head, follow the cap. Somebody give you cap, may you wear. And time you say, "Want collect the cap?" You say, "No, you don't give me this cap. I don't pay for this cap." He said, "No, it's not what you collect the cap. You want to collect your head, Jonah. Then you want to go to do political maturity." Somebody go in the enemy house, don't knock the enemy for the enemy. Say, "I better come and join me fight my friend." Person wey go knock the enemy. Enemy wey use almost 4 years they fight. Say yamu. He used more than 4 years they fight. Say yamu. This Gwagwa is yamu. This Zebo is yamu. Call Isayamu names. Call Isayamu. Say yes, see they look for that. Tell the whole word about Isayamu. All Isayamu activities for university. He tell your word. Just because he with his friend get little misunderstanding, come on knock for Isayamu door. Hello, Pastor. Are you at home? Hello, Pastor. Hello, Pastor Isayamu. Hello. Hello, it's me, comrade. Yes, I've been your enemy before, but I want to settle with you. Hello, are you at home? Dark open door. Comrade, what's the problem? I'm sorry. That is politics. Forgive me. Let us come together. I will make you governor. I want to make you governor now. The person that I supported to be governor is no longer loyal to me. He's no longer listening to me. Is this? Is that? I want to make you. That one will not get another work where they do outside politics. Only politics. Share this broadcast. Political maturity. Who political maturity help? What say? You mature, Mr. Maturity. Are you mature pass? Are you mature pass? Should be maturity they pay your bills. You go market, you go mega free session, say, give me full time. I'm a mature politician. Enough, only even winner. Pastor Ben will have better politics. Hey, you said that this, you spoiled my name, you damaged my name. He said, relax, don't worry. Go and start printing posters. Go and start coming out. Come at the camp. Come at the camp. That one I can't really they follow. You know, person we almost, I don't know, many people don't get shame. I don't know why people don't get shame. People go back to their vomit every day. All in the name of politics. Now people bring democracy come. Or people don't play their politics like this. Somebody go give you your vomit, someone for plates, give you, say you chopper. All in the name of politics, you're really chopper. No political ideology, no direction, no principle. People will talk 8 in the morning, in the afternoon, they talk B in the evening, they don't talk C. All in the name of politics, all in the name of political stomach. They want to build mansions. They want to drive armored cars. They want to lodge guests in different hotels. They want to marry 5 wives. That's why they swallow their vomit every day, all in the name of politics. All in the name of no permanent friend in politics, no permanent enemy. It's all about permanent interest. Interest that is always against the vast majority of Edo people. That one are selfish interest. Let's put the interest of the people first. Adam Oshiomhole lost touch with the people. He has lost the people. And I am with the people. I don't want to betray the people. How will my people feel? To see me wishing Adam Oshiomhole a happy birthday. How will they feel? How will they feel? Say, comrade, Oshiomhole, happy birthday. May your days the enemy. May I wish God the enemy. Sacrifice. Political sacrifice. Hypocrites. 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 Sacrifice. Everybody, if you have a leader, follow the body language of your leader. Don't ask too much questions. Don't ask too much questions. Somebody gathered political miscreants, ex-Agberos, ex-CDA chairman, this thing talks, gather them, they use them, they fight governor. They can't form colony of dissidents in Abuja. They can't form another political family for Abuja. Their only agenda was Obaseki, remove Obaseki. And their only agenda. I will just finish defeating him. Yeah, you want kill snake. The snake never die. You carry snake, you use the snake, they rub it. But the last venom will knock him back. After you hit snake, you hit him. Until you kill the snake, you know if you carry and take play. When will they grow the corner time? My pack go travel. If they call, go buy big snake. Maybe if you go supply all those animals, go buy snake, go buy uzo, go buy different animals come. Bushmeat. That snake, once the carrier come, we will not even get shot. After go jump up on ground like this, all of us will run. We come carry stick. My boss say, he don't die. No baby put on boots come. We don't go get shot. We fair use stick. Me will go use stick. I'll tell me him. I'll say, everybody, one of them back. I fair use stick. Baba here, wouldn't. My try. We fair carry stick. We fair hit to make sure. Say the snake don't die. My boss say snake when they keep for inside bush last night. I don't see blood. We'll say no, that the one check when I don't die. We'll hit her. Once we don't get shot, then everybody will call to use the snake they play. We'll call to use the snake they play before my mama will come say, I'm gonna go roast the snake. Nobody should come and tell me political maturity until November 12 when they don't swear in Obaseki for second term. Then after that one, maybe next year I think we should show me happy birthday. And as we speak, the EPA people, they are in pain. They are crying. Say, how about no wish comrade birthday? How about no wish comrade birthday? They checked my word throughout yesterday. They checked crafting Nigeria throughout yesterday. They come in the morning and not post. They come in the around 10 and not post. Around 12, they come back and not post. Around 4, they come. In the night, they come begin to send me message. About show political maturity. You will just wish Oshomole happy birthday now. You know me, since we only quarrel again. I say, hey, Oga, me, as I did so, I don't trust anybody for EPN. Now, he's not talking, but Pastor Isaiah is talking. Pastor Isaiah is making noise everywhere. Pastor Isaiah went close eye. When erosion almost sweep people's houses. As a result of the 30 billion stormwater project, what they not do? You not share relief materials. You not share relief materials. You not go meet us, but not be this believe this since. Not be this believe almost 4 years now. Wait, tell this election, and then they know say that they sell bag of rice. People you need to give people bag of rice. There is no time when we don't get when things something don't happen for this state. When government never come and send relief materials to those people. Either water carry their house or breeze carry their house. Different things. Now, let me show you something. Now. So, people when they say, how about no wish Oshomole happy birthday? Okay, I know wish happy birthday, and I have no regrets. I have no regret. I have no regret. I have no regret at all. I don't wish happy birthday, and I don't wish happy birthday. There's no amount of call, there's no amount of message. One I'll tell make me send a happy birthday message. It's not possible. Your monama unayage. I know the stupid song we're gonna call it a bit papa gonna say, what did Papa do? What did Papa do? Osage, what did Papa do? Ah, do my party results. As you see the next thing you react first before you ask question. You raise him out. You act first, the way. Oh my 7, when I was growing, only when I grow the come, they'll beat you, go my pa will cry. My father fair play you, fair beat you. You are good when I do so. My pa fair beat you before my pa will react. My father will always react, especially when he knows the person sitting on you. We beat you. My father will go straight, will go no for the person he does. Umaewa yagbe. Umaewa. Ekpana fi. But my power will first code you. Say, okay, where you fie, where you way. Iwe fear, we show fear. You man me no fear me. So the results. You no lele ohere I will say. The governor is my political father, and I know they hide down. So now the direction where you take, now they take, and I know they ask a question. Now body language. He not a yes, what do we do? What do I do? No, I just look. If I say turn like that, I'll turn follow. If I say sit down, I'll sit down. If you stand, I will stand. I know they say, why you stand? So everybody stand, why you stand? I know they stand, I know they ask question. Or moving in there. Now body, I know they ask question, man, not ta. He not ta. Or move again. Or I put boy, it put boy. Or I wear now. Anything already will there. Because he study he study away a woman and lily na bibio there. Obaseki woman and lily na bibio there. Obaseki governor a woman and lily na bibio there. Not who you go follow, go lead you astray. No. Obaseki is for the future. And the future will favor me and you will listen to me now. That these people they fight against. They want the old order to continue. The old order of say, Monya local government. How can somebody just tell you he's in full control of the local government? How can somebody just tell you he's in full control of a God? How can somebody just tell you he's in full control of Oredo and in full control of Esako? Only one person God said no. God said no. That's not going to pursue them. I said, well, they should say no. You can't tell me you are the one. No, you can't be everybody. You cannot be everybody, my brother. You can't be everybody. Go to your ward, go to your units. Now there you follow me talk. You can't control everybody. The governor started fighting for that reason from the youth unit level. Now everybody is important in APC. No more Odunga. No more Odunga. Everybody now is important. The government don't carry politics back to the people. People will get PVC. And then they talk what they happen now for you. Now your PVC now is not your power. Nobody now can tell you, say, now in better pass you. As I did so, you don't get anybody when I better pass. You don't get anybody will better pass me. Now my life I come. I not compensate. Nobody come my life. Now as you important, so the other person important. If you don't get the kind of money you get, or if you don't get the kind of collection you get, not mean say God value you person. Nah, lie, it's equal. So don't make anybody make you feel less of a human being. No. For how long shall we continue to say leader, governor, leader, you not gonna lead. You not gonna lead. I fought my way to where I am today. I don't have millions like you have. I don't have properties like you have. I don't have cars. I don't have plenty women. I don't have plenty concubines. But I did very okay with the kind of politics that they play. Politics of the future. Progressive politics. Politics of raising people that are close to me. People that, politics of affecting people positively. Most of the people who I don't support get one or two things for government. Ask them. If you see them, ask them. The pressure when they put for their body not be here. They're not just sleep. It's not easy to work with me. It's not easy to work with me. I'm a workaholic. They don't sleep. I did disturb them for results. Nobody sleep. If I'm not sleeping, why should you be sleeping? If the governor is not sleeping, as he speak now, governor will soon conclude the isolation. Every day now, so fire, they treat. They reach out from the isolation room. They control. If he's not sleeping, why should I be sleeping? So, my people, I know which Adams I should show on the birthday, and I have no regrets. Now, let's move to the issue of coronavirus. Please, don't listen to any politician that is playing politics with this coronavirus. Not be now. They no say that they give people food. Not be now. If they challenge me, make I publish list and account number of people when I don't reach out to in my own little way, all of them will shut up. All of them will shut up. They will shut up. They will shut up. Let me show you one picture. Some people in EPM, they are so shameless. I don't know why they're shame, why they're foolish. Old man, this man is almost 60 years old. See what people for Facebook. Politics can't make many people they foolish. How about the politics you have a foolish you? See what is a Yamusen go full local government. You see the way they are deceiving the people. This one are weighty person who say you want to do governance, saying go full local government. You said they take share down a ward, down a per ward. You not even reach 30 per ward. In a world where you have, so there are some world where you have over 300,000 people. This is how they've been deceiving us. This is how they've been deceiving us. See? So now full local government. Full local government. So contact is may you go do your own, may you still share your own. What is worth doing is worth doing where. This food is to go government now. Rice, beans, granite oil every day. They all salt and this thing. They should open it. Show us what you are giving to the people. Me, I go clap for you. Let me show you one chart. With somebody I respect. This is a chat with Mr. Osage Osifu. You see what people they do with that video. They're on the video. I sent him a message. I said, boss, have you shared your stuff? He said, I have distributed over 2,000 sanitizers, 150 bags of rice, 50 bags of beans, oil, salt, gari, and indomie. I say, really? See the chat here. I say, really? He said, with bucket, Dettol, and Azar. He said, yes. I say, no pictures and videos. He said, no. I say, paying for record. He said, no need. I say, no need. They are doing door-to-door distribution. Door-to-door distribution. He said, no need. No need. Why people not sharing 50 bags? Don't say they want to governor. They don't use over 1 million and take carry press. ITV, channels, EBS, TVC, Vanguard. They don't use over 1 million. Take pay press. To capture food, don't reach 100 bags. So it's Garrick. Funny. So it's Garrick proof of Facebook. Now he say that he be the head of mobilization. And that's what they say. A campaign pastor crashing already.
Proud to announce that we're about to former leader of the stadium Amiloredo. Former leader of the stadium Amiloredo, who has come over with the local government to personally collect these items. We have also told them that these items they are meant for the poor in the 12 local governments. He has promised us that he will ensure that that is done. I want to thank him.
Sir.
Thank you.
So they want carry go give Oredo. Full local government. So they want to give Oredo. Sir. So they want to give Oredo. Pastor just deceive now. Why are you deceiving the people? Why are you deceiving the people? If you want to give. If pastor spend 50 million naira for this relief material, he has too much money. Igbo no, FMB, you know me, honey. FMB. This is a campaign and I be the DG. And he not run for governor. He go now money why you collect. Because as you speak, Pastor Zeyam was not yet a member of APC. The state chairman, Asemu Joshua, does not know him. The governor does not recognize him. He's not a member of APC. So why you do So my people, by the grace of God, the governor has started sharing relief materials. You saw what he sent to the IDP. 200 bags of rice, 180 bags of oil, of this thing, gari, over 20 liters oil, over 20 liters of palm oil, about 40 jerrycan of groundnut oil, tin tomatoes, bags of onions, spices. For the past 5 days, EDP, they have been going door to door in different local governments sharing food. The people know the truth. They know those that are deceiving them. And they know those that really mean well. The government will continue to give relief materials. People that are saying lockdown, 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 lockdown. The government cares about the people. The government cares about the people. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Many people, when they say lockdown, lockdown, they don't even get their auntie phone number. They don't know whether their auntie don't buy food for house. Some people even call their papa for the past 6 months. They never call their mama. They don't know whether food did their house. But they will definitely say, lockdown, 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 lockdown. The government cares about it. Look at Delta State. They don't see lockdown. The people never by themselves open. They already work in Keke. They don't work for Delta. People don't come outside and find food. The government is improving the health sector and is preaching social distancing. If you have the means, stay at home. For those that must open, only food, and no gathering must be more than 10 to 20 persons. That is enough. Go to Lagos State today. People are struggling. They beat people. How you want to lock people for house where they're hungry? The government cares. It's trying to look at, it's trying to weigh the options. It's locking down really. It's just part of the measures to contain it. It's not the solution. Locking down is never the solution. Check other states who don't lock down. Lagos don't lock down. They are still every day the numbers they increase. You don't feel locked person when they're hungry. You can only lock person when they're hungry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you go bust your come out. No bust your say before hunger kill for his house. Maybe you go find food. If Koro kill her, no wala. Instead when hunger go kill her for his house. The highest pain and when your children carry plate come to say, Mommy, I'm hungry. And there's nothing in the kitchen. Nothing. You will bust tears. So the man is trying and he's also giving for time to stock up. He's also giving for time to stock up, to hustle. This is not the time to buy jeans. This is not the time to buy motor. This is not the time to buy human hair. This is time to look for money and buy what you need at home and stay at home. The 7 cases we get, not be today. America, like 2 weeks ago, had only 1,000 cases. America, today they are over 200,000. Now, contact, as we speak today, and those stressing people. Not be new cases, so many of these will not be new cases. Now, many they wrong. Many contact they wrong. Like when I called the aide to the speaker of the House of Assembly, he said when speaker return from UK, he like already get the sign from UK, say, you know they get some symptoms of this coronavirus so, from airports. It's not the man part itself, knows everywhere. That's why his wife and children, none of them. As he enters, he quarantines himself. Set his sample before the result come out. He quarantines himself. Now why he don't spread out? But many people now, when don't get contact with people who don't test positive, they are running. Check on your state. About the level of their run, that they are looking for them. So the governor is weighing the options. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. The people will still come back and say, hey, people they hungry, soldiers they beat people, governor. Hey, look at Okowa now. The people are now against Okowa because of lockdown. What you say may go enforce, we're going to use Indian approach, which is not good, which is not healthy. You see frustrated, you don't know whether you don't well the child locate hospital. They all come and begin to you don't know the condition of the person when they can't they outside. So I'm see motor they drive for expert or you stop them, they won't ask where are you going, gentleman. Check every state when lockdown, when you go see what people they go through. We are not saying the governor should not lock down. If that is the last option, it should take it. But for now, I know what the governor is trying his best to see how he can address this coronavirus, how he can contain it without locking down the town. There's a partial lockdown. That's why you see no business, no company open, only food shops. People can move small to go buy food. Some days ago, there's 3 members of a pull-off to enforce this partial lockdown in case there is total lockdown. Maybe if they say total lockdown, I make only pull-off. Do it. These people are going to listen to pull-off. Hey, pull-off, hey, come on for road, pull-off, hey, come on for road, X-Man, come on for road, police, come on for road. But if the army, I will take off. They say army now will never flog person for the past 10 years. Where they all day barracks since. You don't see opportunity to flog. You go flog. So the people saying lockdown, sharing three bags of rice, running up and down. They are deceiving themselves. They cannot deceive me. By the grace of God, if time reach, say governor want lockdown, I know that governor will lock down and it will be the most scientific lockdown. You know, also say that also you beat anybody. Because the governor will read riot act to whoever want to go enforce the lockdown. So let's continue to pray for the virus not to spread. And let's continue to wash our hands regularly. So when talk say about to stay out. If me come from his house now for door for they put my clothes. I will first put my clothes, wash my hands, go bathroom, bath before I start to talk to my family. Social distancing. Yesterday I was with Honorable Bovo with some persons. If you see the way we test it down, everybody with a barrister, George Oyoma, I saw everybody sit down from a different color. We they talk to from a distance. We still wear a mask. So that it doesn't spread. So people say, shake me, I bet all of them beneath, push them. Don't let them come close to you. Yesterday, I go, police stopped me for road. He said, please, can I see your mask? I said, where's your mask? I said, don't come close to me. He said, don't follow me. I said, don't come close to me. Now put my motor for a drive. View. You will not expose yourself to people without this thing, without mask. I'm not even sure whether you don't even wash your hands. Because I checked their van, don't wash hand this thing, bucket there. Somebody push me. I want you to push me for drive, go to the next police station. Oh yeah, call the DPO. Social distancing. I want to come down, I'll stay from the car, say, go search anything you want to search for the motor. Let's help ourselves. No lockdown. Lockdown. That's what I love. That's not lockdown, no. People, they're hungry. Who what tire? Governor gets sense past all of them. They make noise. Governor gets sense past all of them. Check state with the lockdown. Anything don't really happen. But the partial lockdown is working the door. People can still go out to buy food. They must stop revenue. You don't hear them before in the history of Edo State. Since sitting governor will stop revenue for 1 month. Even when you know say no money, no internal revenue, no federal allocation to pay salary, you still stop this thing. To encourage drivers to carry 2 or 3 per seat. But go check, go ring, go see drivers, they're deaf. They only carry 3. Even when they are no longer paying tax, they are no longer paying for tickets. No, they carry 3. They still load their boss. Now will be our problem. The poor, especially the poor, that the poor be the poor problem. Person went buy all year 1,002 because Corona is already selling for 4,000 naira. You want to rake money from this crisis. You want to rake money from you want to extort the poor. Big men will always afford it. How many poor men? That they say the same price for the rich, that they say for the poor. People will hold 10,000 naira go market and they will confuse. They were confused. Last week, my wife stopped our cleaner from coming. She's not doing the cleaning by herself. I guess Because she now asked me, say, that is that cleaner now going to be surviving? I said, every month we'll still pay her. We'll still be paying her to stay at home. But now you don't say cleaner, we want to do by ourselves because of this corona. What is the cleaner and the children going to eat? Every month we're still going to be paying the cleaner. Steady. Oh, God, thank you. Hey, madam, buy food for house. People are laying off workers, stay at home, stay at home. Are you giving them money to stay at home? You are saying, government, lockdown. I know many of them don't even know the meaning of lockdown. They don't even know the process of locking down. Say, you even need law to back up your lockdown. See, many lawyers don't carry Buhari go court. Say, Buhari don't get right to lockdown. You need law. You need the constitution to lock down. You can't just block and stay at home. Eh? So please, my friends, share this broadcast. Because me, I'm always making sense. Now let people know like better thing. They say, how about don't start? I'm always making sense. I'm a realist. Even if what I do for the government is risky, very risky, and encounter very deadly politicians, that to kill, not they had them, to send kidnappers after you, to do rubbish after, not they had them. But we also have them. We've already put them on notice. The people are watching them. As far as Albert and my family is concerned, we are watching them. They get family. We still know where their family go hide for abroad. Recently, somebody come and say, Albert, if anything happen to you, so family, where they always do anyhow. In 24 hours, I will deport the family to Nigeria. He said, continue what you are doing. People are watching them. They watch them. Any guy like this Albert will do it. We'll so deal with him. This Albert will hear it. You are getting better than other politicians now. I believe where we do argue for years, and only one dirty job that they used to do. They only call you when they want share money. They only call you when they want to go see Jonathan. They only call you when they want to go see Buhari. Now when they want to go fight, then they will call you. If they carry phone, they only come for people when they want to be commissioners. People when their life already destroyed, when we fit do stupid things. There you call. You know people they approach me every day, bros. I want to follow you, bros. I say, and I say, I don't guys, come. I know they encourage all those life. So please, let's support Governor Obaseki's effort to stop the spread of COVID-19. If lockdown it happens to be the last option for the government, Obaseki will lock down. But the man is working around the clock to make sure that the lockdown doesn't affect the masses. Because the man, they feel the pulse of everybody. They feel that's okay, if we lock down, how these people going to eat? So let's just do a partial lockdown so people will still face the argument, they move around, then they maintain social distancing. Me now, if I touch any money, I must sanitize my hand. And the time they go there, say I buy a bottle of granules, this cashew nut for traffic. As I collect them, I put sanitizer on my hand. I use the sanitizer to rub the full body of the granules before I put up inside my motor. Then my husband say, "There for buy this granite." I say, "I don't already know what. No need. I don't already use sanitizer. Clean the body of the because the boy when don't touch hand, don't touch money, don't touch people, don't run for inside traffic. I don't know whether I don't carry coro. I get to use this thing to rub the body before I put up inside motor. If I will use POS, now I use POS and as an enter motor and I carry my sanitizer, put up. Use POS, use it here. So Mr. Governor is not playing. Mr. Governor is not joking. Mr. Governor is working around the clock. So as far as COVID-19 is concerned, Governor Obaseki is on top of the situation. Seriously, it can't be everywhere. When we feel the notice of lapses, it can't be everywhere. Everywhere you are not going well, guess where you are working. So governor fire so. Not be everybody really they follow the man, the dream, the future. The man care where they go. But many people as they follow and they go where the man they go. So they see this duplex. I forgot to build this duplex. So they say they look almost like the government, like the Oshomole government. People say, but if Nigeria show more if not blow. Which blow? Which blow? Which blow? Blow that you cannot sustain. Which blow? If you not blow, which blow? Blow when you come up from government, you're still going to sell the properties. Which blow? They make money on that show, they never broke. Tell me why they cost of governor every day. However they meet them, are they not borrowing that to survive? Which blow? The only thing I want the government to do is to encourage me, make my business grow, make my second address grow. Not be make them give me contract to go build a mansion. Which mansion? Mansion where you don't feel clear where you don't hold. Mansion where if you come for government, you don't even if you pay your bookie. Not even pay gardener to maintain your compound. Government of all these big men compound, the grass, they know they feel even maintain. Don't over there. I don't talk with this morning. Thank you very much for listening. Share this broadcast. Send it to all your friends. Let them listen to us. I believe this broadcast is almost 1 hour. I think makes some sense. And spread the message. Anything you are here for here. When I was still spread that. Hello, la why I get book money at about our Facebook. I give me no time. I have real our way. Must take something home. Nobody knows the next victim of this coronavirus. Nobody knows who will catch next. Now human being they spread the virus, not the virus they spread itself. Now human being they move the virus don't they move itself. That's why the government is encouraging social distancing. Don't be seeing a crowd for me. You know if you see me in a crowd that is more than 5. Inside my motor, if I carry person, I will wind down, make breeze the enter. So like the person carry corona, the breeze will blow corona. If now let me dead the motor, I feel only see. If I carry person, I will wind down, make breeze the enter. These are some of the preventive measures we will feel you apply as an individual. So all these overnight politicians what they give on rubbish. If they enter government, they will take times 100 of what they are giving you now. We know them. We know their antecedents. We know them. They don't get better past. They don't fit tell you their history. They don't fit. We don't fit put them for government when they mess up. So all these one when they give now, so you'll be like a thief can't rob you. When the thief call you and say how they meet you, thief will come pass your house, show small food inside your compound. Because the thief know what he collect from you. Maybe you not go die, not throw food. Then you come happy, hey, get my oh, who else oh, who else oh, and the thief now put you for the one you did. Or the thief will come as neighbor, we care. We can't give you something. You don't know that the same thief, the same will come rob you. We can't give something. You call it happy. Or man, give my oh, one more gume or money gume. Uma your boy, you know. If I need bed, you do for me humanitarian. You guys, guy do. No, but second, no, don't let do ya am. So my people, share this broadcast. God bless you. Edo must move forward. Let's go forward together with Governor Quadri Obaseki. He's my principal. He's my boss. You go better. Oh yeah, I am my team more bad. I'm my team more bad. My one more wa bear. My one more wa bear. Wa fear. Wa stab wa nene unu wa ye. Wa mama bu wa le. Ma wa be kiriya ye. Unu wa ye. Unu wa ye. Agbegbe wa live wa ma ye wewo. When you wa we gbo wa mi bi yan wa o. Why maybe you call was Kevin? Why me after how many years? Why you do care leader? Kill your head there. Thank you very much. Small nourish. I was people know they go church again. If I told them say about this antichrist, about this atheist, about this one, I'm a realist. I'm a Christian. I go to church, but I talk the truth. You like me, you don't like me, down your headache that. Before when I know they go church, if I go church before I leave my brain for us. Now if I go church, I carry my brain for nobody. So I pastor the talk, I go the fit around. Pastor that man, idiot, on that man, he absorb it.
Take it, that is taking a lot of people. Godwin of asset, the choice of the people. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. Edo people say, Toba, pensioner say, Toba, civil servant say, Toba, teacher say, Toba, student say, Toba, business say, Toba, market women say, Toba, driver say. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor, the governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor, the governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, who they call me? I call him man, like where? I go later. Godwin Obaseki, share this broadcast. God bless you. I'm sure you enjoy this money. Hot talk. Toba, Edo people say, Toba, Edo say, Toba, Edo say, Toba, Edo say, Toba, Isako say, Toba, Igwe say, Toba, Oka say, Toba. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor, the governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a governor, the governor of the people. Godwin Obaseki, that is taking Edo people, developing Edo State to the next level. All plus four, talk back. 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 Thank you, Shares Brokers. Bye.